Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. In today's video, we are actually going over 10 apps that pay Uber and Lyft drivers money. So if you watch this video, you should be discovering and taking notes and being able to find 10 ways that you can actually start making money, extra money in your pocket, which I know if you're an Uber or Lyft driver, you're probably doing everything you can to make an extra buck. So before we jump in, make sure to click the thumbs up button, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in. Okay, the very first app that pays Uber and Lyft drivers, and I'll have links below to all of these, by the way, so check the video description when I discuss these, but I'm gonna obviously talk about them and explain how they work. Number one is Solo. Solo is an app that pays actual Uber and Lyft drivers and workers for other gig working companies money when you go out and ride and you don't have a good hour. So let's say you you're going out and driving for Lyft today and you're on the Solo app. Well, as long as you clock in on that hour and you don't make the guaranteed amount, let's say it's like 29 bucks. Let's say you drove Lyft and you only made 12 during that hour. They're actually gonna pay you the $17 difference, and you can do this multiple little mini 1 hour shifts on their app and you can make that money back. Another way you can make money with Solo or save money really is by getting their mileage tracking feature, because they'll actually track miles more than the one that Uber and Lyft will tell you. Don't use Uber and Lyft's number for mileage because it's not typically accurate, because they're only tracking online miles, right? They're not tracking miles when you're driving home at the end of the night, 30 miles. You're going to get food, you're going to get gas, and you're offline. You know, all those miles you can, I don't know, consult with the CPA, but at least for me, I would consider that a business mile because I'm commuting, right? You're driving home at the end of the night. So Solo, they make it really easy where you can write off a lot more miles, and that's potentially thousands and thousands of extra dollars you are not going to be paying the IRS, which, in my opinion, F the IRS. I'm not trying to pay them any more money, all right? That's not a charity, okay? The government is not spending those dollars wisely, in my opinion. The next one is Play Octopus. And actually, Solo helps you file your taxes too, so you should just check out Solo. Play Octopus is the next one. They will send you a free tablet to put in your car. And again, we have a link below to this, and they will actually pay you up to $100 extra per month just by having the tablet sit in the car. You ain't gotta do jack diddly squat, all right? I don't know about you, but I have heard a lot of drivers complain, and I will never understand it. They go, I'm not putting a tablet in my car for $100 a month. I'm like, bro, if you just took an investment calculator and you invested $100 a month for 40 years at an 11% return rate, you would have $732,000 thanks to compound interest. If you put it in for 45 years, you would have $1.2 million, right? If you start at 20 years old till you're 65. $100 a month will turn into $1.2 million. And guess what? Your total contributions was only 54 grand. Your total interest that you made, over $1.1 million. So the power of compound interest, an extra $100 a month, could literally make you a millionaire. So anytime somebody says, oh, I'm not putting a tablet in my car for $100 a month, I'm like, well, you just lost out on $1 million, buddy. Okay, the next one is Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a company that will pay you to fill out surveys, okay, in between rides, after rides, when you're at home. You can do this on the side. It's a great, easy way to make extra money, and they will actually send you that money to your bank account or PayPal. You don't need to just get the gift cards, okay? We have a link below to that. That one's incredibly easy to get started. Number 4 is Shopify Dropshipping, okay? This is something I've personally been able to do to make money. I actually have a Shopify Dropshipping store right now that I've made thousands and thousands of dollars on, selling t-shirts. This is actually my clothing store that I have, and I just have a website, and I tell people to go to the site And you know, I don't have to buy any inventory. I'm selling coffee mugs and hats, t-shirts, hoodies. This is a Christian themed store that I have. You know, I really love God, so I just made a God themed store. And you have water bottles and coffee coasters, candles, etc. Coffee, oh, that's coffee coasters. Oh, those are journals, sorry. I can't see them, it's backwards here. I have joggers, shorts, wine glasses. So I created this Shopify dropshipping store, and like I said, I've had thousands of dollars that I've made from this, and it's a really easy way to get started because you don't need to worry about any inventory at all, and you can advertise it on social media and just share your link, and you can sell basically whatever you want. If you want to learn how to do it, I do have a link below for that as well, and there should be a 30-day free trial when you sign up. Okay, the next one is TikTok Shop. This is an incredibly easy way to make money right now. It's just by posting videos and showcasing other companies' products on TikTok, and you get a little commission every time somebody makes a sale. You don't need to show your face at all for this, but basically the way it works, and I'll just show you really quickly, is when you go on TikTok, here's an example. This person is selling these vitamins. Oh wow, you really can't see anything. And when you click on this link here, the product will pop up, or at least it should. And you can buy this. You can buy this. This person selling a vacuum. And you click on this, you can buy it, and you will make $11 on this commission. $11 for somebody buying this stupid vacuum that probably sucks. But, you know, you make these videos and you get a couple videos that get a few thousand views or 100,000 views, which if you're posting all day long, you know, you can do. And again, I have a link below to this. People are making 10, 15, 20, 100,000 bucks a month off this stuff with TikTok Shop. It's crazy right now just because, you know, that's what the TikTok is basically just some fat advertising platform now. Again, this is another vacuum. This must be a really hot product, this vacuum. Because yeah, $11 commission, that's actually really good. So I might actually start promoting this one now that I see it. But yeah, so and I have a link below for TikTok Shop as well. It's actually a way I've personally made over $1,000 in a day. I'm personally doing TikTok Shop like crazy right now just because it's kind of a new way to make money. And I think Uber and Lyft drivers, since you have time in your phone, I like making videos in the car because I just feel like they're more relatable. So you can easily do those in between rides, and it'll help, for one, pass the time, but number two, you can literally be making thousands of dollars in between rides and probably make more money on TikTok Shop than you're doing Uber or Lyft. So check that link out below. I'm teaching people how to do that too. Okay, the next one is Upside. Upside is a really, every driver should be using this, whether you drive Uber or Lyft or not, because you get cash back when you fill up gas. And you don't even need to take a photo of the receipt anymore. Now it's it's digital. They have partnerships with gas stations all around the country. And all you gotta do is open your app, click check in, fill up gas, and boom, you get money in your account. I think I have Upside on my phone. Should have some money in here. And it's just a really easy way to make an extra few bucks. And like I was saying, you know, with that investment calculator, $100 a month over 65 years, that's over $1 million, $1.2 million. The money adds up. You know, if you just increase that to $200, the money goes up to $2.4 million. If you put that in, if you increase that to $500, now all of a sudden you're making you have $6.2 million at the end of 45 years. So it's the value of compound interest, my friends. I highly recommend typing in numbers on an investment calculator, because you'll see just how much a little bit of extra money goes. I'm personally currently investing around, just being completely transparent with you guys, I'm putting in around $2,000, I think it's around $2,000 or $3,000 around $3,000 per month into my retirement. And so I plan to do that for the next, 30 years. So if I put in three grand for the next 30 years, I'll have around $7.5 million, by the time I'm 60. And so who knows how much $7.5 million will get you in 30 years, but hey, I'll have $7.5 million. It's better. I mean, the way I see it, guys, is like I'm paying my future self. I'm giving money to my future self, which I think future me will be thankful for that gift that younger me gave me. And it's a write-off too. It's called a 401k contribution. Talk to a CPA, guys, about this, or a financial advisor about setting up. If you're an independent contractor, this is not investment advice or even part of the video, because this is not an app, but I guess it could be an app because I have an app with my phone. But yeah, you can talk to somebody, and if you have, if you're an independent contractor, you can get actually a really good write-off with investing into your retirement with a 401k. So check that out. Just try to talk to somebody who's a financial advisor or a CPA, which is a certified public accountant, which is basically a tax accountant. Or a tax advisor. They should be able to help you out with that, or at least point you in the right direction. Okay, the next one is Faceless YouTube channel. So YouTube is another app that pays drivers. This is the exact way that I was able to escape the rat race. How I was able to quit driving for Uber and Lyft is by creating a Faceless YouTube channel, and then I turned it into, you see my face as well, but I have other Faceless channels too. And I use the Faceless channel method on all my channels because it works super, super well. And if you want to start a Faceless YouTube channel, I highly recommend it because it is an extremely good way to make a lot of money for a long amount of time. Again, this is a way that I was able to escape the rat race, escape the 9-to-5. This is one of my YouTube channels where I've brought in this is last year, where I brought in over $120,000 in one single year. And if you just go to, the last 365 days, this one channel, and I have multiple channels, brought in 130K. And I only show you this to, show you that it is possible. So I have a link below where there goes to a full video. Once you sign up, just click the link below, sign up, go to my programs. It is a course. And I teach you how to create a Faceless YouTube channel. Right now, there is a 30-day free trial though when you do sign up. And Faceless YouTube channel changed my life. That's how I was able to buy this house I'm currently sitting in here in SoCal, Southern California. Okay, the next one is Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is an app that pays you to literally walk around. Sweatcoin app converts your steps into Sweatcoins, which is a virtual currency that you can spend money on cool products or even donate it to charity. So if you want to send some money to charity, or buy some of these products, a lot of these products you probably already use, so you can decrease your expenses with Sweatcoin. Like, let's say you already spend $10 a month on Spotify or $10 a month on Amazon or whatever it is. If you are making that much money in Sweatcoin, then you don't need to spend $10. Now all of a sudden you save $10. And you can put that money into retirement. Okay, the next one is Rakuten. Rakuten is an amazing app that basically you can get cash back on a lot of products that you're already buying. So, and especially when you're driving Uber and Lyft, you're spending money on gas, you're spending money on food when you're out driving, you're spending money on this, you're spending money on that. Highly recommend Rakuten. Check that out. They have some great cashback deals. And Gas Buddy is the last one. Again, this is another way that you can get cash back when you fill up gas. And it'll also show you the cheapest gas stations. It's a gas station finder, and you can get up to 25 cents a gallon with a free forever gas card. Interesting. Save 5 times as much as our app and more than either a debit or gas credit card. Fill-ups are effortlessly deducted from your linked debit card. No credit check, sign up in minutes, no bills, no hassles, and nothing to fund, just savings. Yeah, check out Gas Buddy. Very, very interesting app for sure. Sounds like they're doing really good, and it sounds like they are, they're killing it. So check out all those links below, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Take care. We'll talk soon.